Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to monitor PC temperature on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So here on your Windows, if you want to check the status of your CPU, you can just go to Task Manager and go to Performance, and you will see here your CPU and other features and tools inside your Windows. However, inside this Task Manager, you cannot simply monitor the PC temperature on your Windows. So what you're going to do in order for you to check or monitor your PC temperature, you have to use a third-party application to do that. And this time, I'm going to introduce to you this HW Info. So this HW Info is the most powerful and accurate tools to monitor PC temperature on Windows. All you have to do is to download this one, install, and launch. Here you will see a prompt check sensors only. This avoids full system reports and gives you live temperature monitoring. So here you will see view real-time temperatures with your CPU, temperature per core, minute current or max, GPU temps, motherboard temps, drive temps, fan speeds, voltages, power draw, and more. You can also hover over entries for extra info. Use the tray icon feature to display temps without opening the full application. So all you have to do is enable tray display, right click any sensor and then select add to tray. This time I'm going to use this CPU package, add this tray, and you will see real-time temps in the system tray. So you can see here CPU temp monitoring, GPU, fan speed, lodging, PTUs, and lightweight. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.